Round one. Hey creators, and welcome back to my channel. So if you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Alifa De Silva and I'll be really glad if you will take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. And while you subscribe, make sure to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I'm on YouTube.
Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit. Johnny always lock a nigga down. Knowing damn well we don't wanna see the box like Manny Pacquiao. Little nigga.
So, well, you all might have got a hint by reading the title and the thumbnail, and you all might have known that what is going to happen in today's video. Well, it is clearly evident that I'm going to do Who Knows Me Better episode 2 with two of my favorite friends, and both are my best friends actually, and I'm excited to know who is going to know me much more better. So now let's get started. But before that, please invite my two friends, Sansia De Silva and Ria Kohli. Please come. Okay, so this is Ria and this is Sansia, and we were in school since junior. We were best friends since junior KG, but we used to fight a lot. Never mind. Okay, so you all are welcome to my channel. Okay, so let's get started with round 1. So you all have to clap, and then if you clap first, you get the chance to answer it, and if it's right, you get a point, and if you're wrong, then you get to answer the same question. Okay, let's get started. I'm scared. Oh no. Okay, first question is, yes, what am I obsessed with? It's a thing, activity, anything.
Making YouTube videos.
Okay, you got it. Making YouTube. Yeah, I love doing that. So, ting.
Yeah, okay.
Question number 2.
It's okay.
Ria got 1 point. I need to make a note of the points, or else I forget.
It's okay, it happens.
Okay, next question.
Yeah.
School.
Next question. Which was our last dance together? It can be dance performance. It can be we danced anywhere else.
Grandparents' Day.
Wrong.
Oh shit!
Wait. Timer is?
No.
No.
She said wrong, so you have to answer.
Yeah, okay, fine.
If you say wrong, then you have to answer.
Oh no, I don't know idea.
Grandparents se kab ka
Shit, no.
Wait.
2,000 years later.
Teacher's Day.
Wrong. 4. You want to answer?
काय होतं यार? थांब
It
ना.
can be dance performance. It can be anywhere we danced. 5.
Mother
4.
celebration.
We didn't dance.
Celebration.
Proper dance. I'm talking like proper. 5. 4.
असं आपण कसं कोणतं कोणतं नाही काय.
3. 2.
नाही काय बघ.
Last dance we danced was canteen day. Last dance.
Oh,
अरे
my
एवढा dance होता.
God.
That was a dance, Ria.
Typical dance.
That's what I said. It's not a dance performance. It can be anything.
Okay, dance.
Both get a 0. Disgusting people you are. Okay, next.
काय प्रश्न होता?
It was an easy question, Ria. Okay,
Easy.
this question, whoever says the closest will get the point. Okay?
Best.
आणि तोच म्हटलं तर आन्सर
Then
ते मीच बोलणार आहे मला
चले एक काम कर 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग के वजह
माहिती आहे.
It's okay. Happens.
including this video, how many videos are on my channel right now?
Oh shit.
I give up.
I just try. Okay? Closest will get the point.
Okay, 18.
Wrong. No, wait. Try again.
15.
20.
You get the point.
Yeah.
Closest
किती?
26, so closest 20.
26.
Yes.
ते बघेल 3 मिनिट तरी.
मी काय करू? टाका तर 20 म्हटली.
Next. This is a good question. I also loved it. What is my YouTube intro. What I say when I start a video.
First.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Anika Silva. Welcome to my channel.
Wrong. You have to say it properly how I say it.
Okay.
Your turn. She said wrong. So your turn.
Hi creatives.
Wrong.
अरे
You said one word wrong.
Hi, I'm Anika Silva.
Wrong. Riya, you are close. Think.
Hello everyone.
Wrong.
अरे यार
Are you serious, Riya?
make sure to subscribe.
And afterwards.
Hello guys.
Guys ने बोला
I don't say guys.
Channel.
You're
Hello
going to
creatives.
You're
Creatives
close.
हमारे.
We have to say before that another word is there.
पण I'm close ना
Okay,
हमारे.
you have to say after whatever it is. You have to say that.
बोल.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel below and click the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time I am on YouTube.
Okay, she's close.
Okay.
You want to try?
Say that about.
Actually, creatives. Any creatives? No.
It's not creatives. Yep, she's almost right. So she get a point. If you
Thank
want-
you.
Okay. She was close, so she gets the point.
Yes.
Cool.
Creatives बोलने का बोल.
बीच में थोड़ा.
How many questions? 4 questions we have
4.
completed, right?
And I am.
Last question for the round. Which app do I use the most? Yeah,
Insta.
right.
Yeah.
बोलना.
Instagram.
Shema
I-
wrong.
Instagram.
नाही त्यावर मला पण तेच बोलायचं
I
होतं.
Yeah, it's okay.
get more content on Instagram.
तर
So
मला पण तेच बोलायचं होतं म्हणजे थोडं.
it's okay. You're on draw. Both get 2 points.
Thank
each.
you.
Round number
Round?
round number 2.
First
Oh.
round.
This is this or that question.
Oh my
So let me just write here draw or else I forget when I did. Okay. Round 2, this or that question, and it's easy. Whoever says it first gets the point, and if she's wrong, you don't get the chance to answer it. Okay, because then it's evident that the next option is right. So
Okay.
round 2, this or that. Cheese grilled sandwich or shawarma.
Shawarma. Clap.
Come on, clap!
Yes.
अरे यार.
I knew it.
Riya is right.
Oh
Next.
my God, my
Next.
notes.
Next,
Okay.
normal jackets or denim jackets.
Denim.
Got it.
Yeah.
Dance clap करला पाहिजे. अजून थांब.
Okay, next question. बेफिकर or 1,000 years.
1000
Somebody. अरे यार, ये ना काय बात है यार.
Riya got it.
अरे यार. ये
Why
क्या
are we going on draws like? Okay, next question. Piercing or tattoo?
Piercing.
Tattoo.
Wrong.
Yeah.
Both clap together. So I gave both of them to answer. She said wrong. I want to have a
मी
tattoo.
टॅटूच बोलणार होती
But
यार.
you said
But
piercing.
it's okay.
But you said piercing.
They are being cheating.
No, cheating.
This is,
cheating. It's okay.
Final question. If nobody gets a point, then 0. Or else, because both
मी
are,
आन्सर करणारच
because
आहे.
both are having 2 points right now. Okay. So last question. It can either be draw or either one of them will win. Last question. Oh God, this is
Ridiculous.
vanilla flavor or butterscotch.
Vanilla.
Wrong.
Butterscotch. Nada simple.
So it's a draw game because she said it wrong, and as I said that the other person won't get a chance because it's evident. So wrong. Again a draw. What is this? Oh, no. You know in Dazel and Ruth round it was easy because round 1 Dazel won, round 2 Ruth won. What is this?
We are
draw,
best
draw?
friends.
Arre, what did
Best
draw?
friend goals.
Then I have to take another challenge again. Round
Answer
3
कोण आहे का?
with slates. Huh?
Oh my God.
Okay, so let me just
Yes, she was this.
Yes, I got okay. Take one. Don't take one. Wait.
अरे.
Listen. So before I continue with the round 3, let me tell you all, whoever wins this round will go further, and then there will be
Further.
semi-finals, finals, and then whoever wins will get a gift hamper.
Oh
ये
my
बहुत
God.
हमारा
मला
मजेदार होता है.
ऍडव्हान्स मध्ये.
That is when you will win the finals. Okay.
Okay,
Time
let's-
hai abhi tak finals.
let's see, let's
Because
see.
Dazel is already in the finals. I mean further.
Oh.
तुम दोनों में से कोई भी जाएगा वो, and then I might take another round with the
Let's see.
people, and if I do a draw again, then I'll kill you both. कुछ
It's
फिर से
okay,
लेना पड़ेगा
happens.
यार. Okay, next
Cheating.
question. Now this is the question. You all may take as much time as you all want, but the answer should be right.
Okay.
And
100 साली का डाला नहीं मारे. Nothing.
but if you all do it first, and if your answer is right, then bang on.
On the
This is Q&A question. Question now. Okay. Round 3 Q&A round.
Okay.
They're using slates to write the answer. Okay. How do I like to be comforted when I'm sad? The closest will get the point. I'm the first.
How?
If whoever says it first, and if it's the closest, then you get the point.
Question.
Question book.
How do I like to be comforted when I'm sad?
दोन लिहू शकतात ना?
Koda पण by Koda लिहू शकतात.
Ready?
Once you said we're done,
हाँ.
what's the answer? Show in the camera.
उल्टा दिएल ना.
You,
Music of Friends.
okay.
Watching series.
She showed it first.
हाँ.
You get the point. I said first and right. First and right.
धावड्यासोबत होते का आन्सर?
Of course. Watching series is also right, but
त्यांच्या
she said it first, so she'll get the point.
काय
मग मी आन्सर करेन म्हटलो.
हा.
इट्स ओके.
Priya, so such a beautiful handwriting.
Oh.
हो आता म्हणजे क्लासेस.
Bandar. Next question.
सांग ना.
शॉर्ट निकूस.
शो. बघा.
कट करत आहे.
You are a goose.
Same.
I'll add a GIF. Okay,
Same.
next. If I am at a store for shopping, what would I shop first?
शॉप कोण बोलूया?
Shoes. I'll go for shoes.
यार.
शूज.
Because it's the closest.
अरे आता स्टोअर मध्ये जा का बाजारात जा का पण घेणार
Food? I doubt food. Means I like to have food lot, but then clothes and shoes can't be.
You know I'm winning right now, Sansia. What are you doing?
It's okay.
Oh my god! Wow!
Only 2 questions that are answered. 3 questions are left. You can win that.
So sad.
YouTube.
Sell life.
Next. What is our favorite thing to do together? 3 of us. Okay.
कंप्लीट तरी करून दे यार.
What you have written?
I don't
Dance.
know.
She got it. I don't
Yes.
like to remove pics a lot. I love
Yes,
dance.
yes,
Instead of
yes.
this dude. No,
Yes.
but
It's
she
okay.
got it right. 1 point.
चल.
So Riya is on 2 and Sansia is on 1.
गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई.
गलती से मिस्टेक हो गया. हाय
That's a
हाय.
mistake. Question number 4. What I am most afraid of, like a phobia thing.
आई शपथ.
म्हणजे काय बोल.
म्हणजे मला खूप घबराट वाटते त्या गोष्टी. म्हणजे मी phobia आहे मला. तुला काय height साठी मला phobia. मला height phobia नाही. Not yet. I don't have height yet.
नाही आगे नाही.
Practice काम.
नाही चालत होते ना.
Okay, I'll give a hint.
हाँ.
It is something I learned, but then I was scared.
हा, लॉन.
I learned it, but then I was scared. Who said it first? It was not a right man. Okay, both get a point because
पण
both
बोथ स्विम लिहिलंय. मी स्विमिंग लिहिलंय.
It's okay. Happens.
Swar are the same.
Short
Both get a
form.
point. Both
Short
get a
form.
point.
मला कळलं त्यांचं आमचं स्विमिंग.
Because I learned swimming and I was scared of swimming. Yeah, I don't know. I'm using you. I know what's that. Please. The score is 3 and 2. Last question.
गिर गया यार.
Last question. Okay. Sansa, you can either draw this
Oh my god.
I
or
can
you can win it. Oh no, I'm
Draw.
scared.
बरं क्वेश्चन सर जे मला माहित आहे.
I'm really scared for this. Okay, last question. Who is very close to me?
अरे बापरे.
थांब.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
If she got it right. What a draw, man!
joke. Okay.
अगं पण ड्रॉ
Actually, parents, yeah. At least parents. Yeah. My mom is close and my dad is so.
बघितलं मला माहिती आहे.
मी रिया
You
लिहिणार
wrote it right. I thought no, because after my parents, my friends are the ones who are most closest to me, and my sister like the same thing. And then she rubbed it. She's like, oh shit, what is it?
Wrong answer.
And then till then she showed.
Peace.
Bad luck.
So
Bad luck.
the score 3 and 3. Okay, so it's a draw again. All the 3 rounds are draw.
Oh my god.
Like seriously,
Like we know you so much. See.
we have to
Yeah.
shoot again to get the actual winner after some days.
तू परत
Shoot again. Yes.
Oh my god.
We have to shoot again.
Don't tell me की परत येणार इकडे.
Simultaneous.
करू ना.
You know, actually no, I can't repeat that thing, but we are at my friend's house, at her house, we are, because I stay far and
Even I
they
say
can't
But-
travel, and her house is in the middle, so we
Middle?
meet here.
Dubai.
Middle.
Dubai.
And we are always chill at her place.
दुबई नाही मागत.
It's all getting recorded, Sansia.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
language change कर म्हणजे मध्ये दे.
since it's a draw, so yes, and I'm loving the draw. Very nice. I thought that chalo, at least in the third round I'll get a winner. But no,
So you can gift us both.
Yeah.
it is after the
Fine.
finale. We still have the finale, and we still have wild cards.
Oh my
More,
god.
more equal chordiya also show.
आता काय करायचं ABCD लिहायचं.
So
Let's write
that's it for this video. And if you all love the video,
बस. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel below.
woo, and don't forget I'll come up with new videos every Monday and Friday. Stay tuned. Lots of love.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
वा वा वा.
बंद कर.